Hello, this is Johnny Stalin Namisela. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Unit 5. The topic is the sounds of our lives. I'm going to talk about a song which is named Summer. This music is performed by Calvin Harris. Calvin Harris is a DJ producer and also the songwriter. Um, it's played by a team using instruments like a electronic guitar and a couple of pianos, electric drum kit, and more instruments. Talking about the reading of this music, it's like a association between electronic music and dance. Listening this music is like the environment gets more comfortable. The tone affect directly to your mind. Um, you feel like this music makes your heart beat faster. And talking about lyrics is like sudden romantic and very energetic because it's using the word summer. um, when I play this song, it reminds me good stories like being in a beach, water, summer, any good vacations like the sun. I think this is a very energetic music.